Alright, just a little video. This is day one of converting a Fleming MS 450 muck spreader from being 1800 wide tyre to tyre to 1650. Alright, so it's brand new, and as you can see, we've already cut the axles. And then what we've got to do is we've got to cut this at the angle, which I'll show on the other side. Then this is getting re-welded after having 120 millimeters off. So that one has been cut, and that has been cut. So then basically the wheels were here, they're going to sit in here. And the reason for that is down to the fact of being a vineyard, the row spacing. So as you can see, this is just a quick video to show you day one of the transformation from 1.8 to 1.6 conversion of a Fleming muck spreader, to show you how easy, a bit of knowledge, you can do it. I'm actually very impressed with the build quality of this. In here, the decent sized chain. The metal is solid. The axle was actually solid, which I expected it not to be. So, but this is just a very quick video. If you're interested, check out my Grenadier videos and Ford Raptor videos, tractor videos and all sorts. So everyone, I will catch you soon.